Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at a 12-foot water trailer. So this is used mostly for keeping dust down or for washing parking lots. If you have equipment on site that you need to get some heavy mud off of before it drives on the roads, you can rinse it off real quick too. Or if you just simply need to do some water transportation. So we'll go over all the specs here. It has a 525-gallon water tank, and then, like I said, a semi-trash pump up front here. So the water pump can be supplied by the tank, or it can be supplied if you have a nearby pond. So we actually have hoses inside the box here, we'll get to that here in just a second, that attach to this inlet here so that you can fill your tank from this inlet, or you can fill your tank from a fire hydrant. The water that comes out from the hydrant won't ever touch the water that's inside the tank, so make sure you don't get any issues with backflow or anything into the hydrants. The trash pump, they call it a semi-trash pump because it'll take small debris through the pump without causing any issues. It has a Honda GX 200 engine on there. It's just a quick pull start, nice and easy on these smaller engines. Over here we have mostly outlet plumbing. So this is where you can attach an external hose with almost like a fire hose type nozzle, and you can rinse off trucks, or you can spray longer distances if you need to get further away from the trailer. This is a garden hose inlet. This will actually feed your tank from a garden hose if that's all of you have available on site. And then this valving here just kind of controls where that water is going. So whenever we go to fire this up, we'll kind of demonstrate how this works, what you can expect to come out from the back. We'll continue to walk around so you can get the full view of everything. The additional inlet plumbing that we have on the back, and then our two big fan sprays. You can see where we had just fired this up a second ago, so you can see how far that water actually goes. I think, Abby, you're probably standing, what, 15 feet away from the trailer? Is about how far it's sprayed back, and then probably, gosh, that's gotta be at least 20 feet wide. It's got a very large spray. So we'll just go ahead and get this fired up, give you an idea of how it works. All right, you ready? Yep. Okay, so now that we had a chance to run it, we'll go ahead and show you the hoses that are included with this that go on these cam lock attachments over here. So the aluminum box is part of this package, and then these are kind of packed in here nice and tight. So we have the 2-inch hose here that has the cam lock that attaches on the inlet hose. So it's a non-collapsible hose that you can drop down into the pond. You can see it's got a filter on it right here, so it'll keep a lot of the bigger debris out of the hose. That feeds right into the pump, and it'll feed into your tank that you can draw off of. And then the other hose that we have here is a collapsible hose, kind of like the fire hose we talked about, with the nozzle on the end, so that you can get a controlled spray, rinse off equipment, or reach other areas if you need to. And again, everything is all cam locked together, so it's nice and easy to just switch out accessories. The box is a locking toolbox, so you can keep everything on the job site secure. All of the valving, just change over these two-way ball valves very simply to switch between which accessories you want to use or what sources you want to pull water from. So very user-friendly system, very easy and quick for us to put these together. We generally stock most of the components that are on here, or we can get them in a very timely manner if it's something that you need quickly. So if you have any questions, please take a look at our website. It'll have a lot more of the specifications as far as hose diameters and water flow and all of the spray that comes out of it. Our website is 3rpressurewashers.com, or you can give us a call if you need additional details. Thanks.